We're letting Maisie open her Christmas present early.
Well, open your Christmas present, baby. Huh? Come on. Come on. Right here.
You want to open up your Christmas present?
Get it. Get it. Get
Open
it. Girl.
it.
Get it.
Move it out of the away from the tree.
Get it. Get it, girl. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it.
Get it. Open your present, baby.
Get it, girl. Get it. Open it. Open. Get it. Get it. Get it, girl. Get it.
Maisie, open your present. You fat dog.
Open it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Open it.
She's already got slobber all over it. Finish opening your present, Maisie. Jeez. Maybe they were too close together.
Probably should spread them all out. Open it. Get it. Get it. Get it, girl. Open it up. Open it. Get it. Go on. Get it. Get it, girl. Go on. Go on, right here. Right here. Go on. You got it.
Maybe we can tease her, make her think there's more. Get it, Maisie. No. Get it, Maisie.
Get it.
Get it.
Get it.
Open your present.
Get it. Get it.
Open your present.
Get it. Get it. Get it.
Get it, Maisie. Yeah. Open your present, Mama.
Get it.
I think she's done.
Here.
Put one underneath.
Get it. Get it. Get it, girl.
You didn't put it underneath.
Here. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Get it. Get it. Get it.
What the hell is she doing?
Get it, girl. Get it.
What is she doing?
Get it, girl. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it, girl. Get it.
Pull it out for her. Pull out her pretty new pink pillow.